In this video, you are going to learn what is the best way to light yourself while filming for the YouTube videos. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, I will show you what is the best way to light yourself if you are a YouTuber and you are filming yourself or you plan to film yourself. Then what is the best way to light yourself? So there are different ways to light yourself. Either you can just get the lighting from the front. So if you just put your face towards the light, you will get the flat lighting and that would cover your entire face. So you will not get any shadows. So this is not the best way to light yourself, and the best way to light yourself is the method which is called the Rembrandt lighting. So Rembrandt lighting is basically what you are seeing right now. As you can see, I have put this soft box on the 45 angle and it's lighting my right face. Over here you can see it's covering up the entire area, and over here you will see that there is a triangle. So this is called the Rembrandt lighting, and I have also placed one RGB bulb on this side. Then you might be noticing some kind of reflections of different colors, blue and red and green over here, and this is going to add some extra interest to your videos. So this is the best way to light yourself, because here you don't get the flat lighting, and you know that the flat lighting is very boring. So always put your softbox or the light source on the 45 angle so that it just lights on the one side of the face entirely, and on the left side you get some triangle. If you don't get this triangle or you don't see the triangle, just adjust your light so that it makes that triangle. So it's the best way to light yourself, because this is not boring, and this is also called the cinematic way of filming yourself. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question, you can leave that in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and consider sharing this with others. And if you want a particular type of videos, please do let me know in the comments so that I can read your comments and I can make videos specially for you. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.